10:40 a.m. on this Friday morning, June 5th, 2026. We are awaiting the arrival of precipitation, in which the skies have gotten greatly overcast. The sun still is popping through on occasion, but it does seem as though the overcast conditions are, well, thickening. At least that's how it is currently. So this is another rough one for me, people. I just looked outside through, well, the screen meshing of this bedroom window facing east. Okay, and up here we do have the sun through the screen meshing. Probably, well, I don't know. Drop that down. Yeah. Anyway, so there's our little bit of proof as to what I was saying about the sun. So, I don't know. It's one of those days that it's a hit or miss scenario, I do believe. But, pertaining to hits and misses, I have explained that, unfortunately, one of the Baltimore Orioles was killed, apparently, through a cat. I'm not exactly sure, but, you know, I'm just kind of guesstimating over that. And, well, apparently I am being blamed. More likely through that deceased bird's other half, or mate, if you will. And I'm going to show you a little bit of proof as to what I state. Once again, we are recording through the screen meshing of the bedroom window facing east. Right over here, it's a pathway to the feeding grounds, as well as the feeding tree. Shown this many a times, right? But this is apparently what occurred after, well, let's just say this occurred this morning at some given point in time. You see that? That is on the outside of the glass window. It's on the glass. Went right through the screen meshing, of which we still have some, yeah, debris right here that didn't make it all the way through the screen and onto the window. Yes, that was purposely done. And, well, once again, I do feel that that was directed at me, as the blame has been cast in my direction for the outright slaughter of that bird. I don't know. What do you think, people? I think the evidence speaks for themselves. kind of feel guilty. Even though, you know, it was not of my doing. But then again, it is. Let's go ways out.